For gardeners and landscapers, understanding your local climate is crucial. This knowledge is the foundation upon which successful gardens and landscapes are built. Without it, even the most well-intentioned efforts can result in disappointment and wasted resources. This knowledge guides plant selection, ensuring successful growth and stunning landscapes. By choosing plants that are well-suited to your climate, you can create a garden that not only survives but thrives, showcasing a vibrant array of colors and textures throughout the seasons. The USDA Plant Hardiness Zone map is an invaluable tool for this purpose. It provides a visual representation of the climatic conditions across different regions, helping gardeners make informed decisions about which plants to grow. It divides the United States, Canada, and Mexico into 13 distinct zones. Each zone is carefully calculated based on historical climate data, ensuring accuracy and reliability for gardeners and landscapers alike. Each zone represents a 10-degree Fahrenheit range of average annual minimum winter temperatures. This means that the map takes into account the coldest temperatures that a region typically experiences, which is a critical factor in determining plant hardiness. This system allows gardeners to determine which plants are most likely to thrive in their region. By selecting plants that are suited to the local climate, gardeners can avoid the frustration of seeing their plants struggle or fail due to unsuitable conditions. By consulting the USDA Plant Hardiness Zone map, you can make informed decisions about the suitability of various species for your garden. This tool is available in various formats, including online resources and mobile apps, making it accessible and convenient for all gardeners. This minimizes the risk of planting varieties that are ill-suited to your local climate conditions. By avoiding plants that are not hardy enough for your zone, you can save time, money, and effort, and focus on cultivating a garden that will flourish. Understanding your hardiness zone empowers you to create a vibrant and flourishing garden. It gives you the confidence to experiment with different plants, knowing that you are making choices that are backed by scientific data and historical climate patterns. It takes the guesswork out of plant selection, increasing your chances of success. With the right information at your fingertips, you can plan your garden with precision, ensuring that each plant has the best possible chance to thrive. So, whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting, familiarizing yourself with your zone is a fundamental step towards realizing your gardening aspirations. By understanding and utilizing the USDA Plant Hardiness Zone map, you can create a garden that is not only beautiful but also resilient and sustainable, providing joy and satisfaction for years to come. The concept of plant hardiness zones has a rich history dating back to the early 20th century. The Arnold Arboretum, a renowned botanical institution in Boston, Massachusetts, embarked on pioneering work in this field. In 1927, they introduced their first plant hardiness map, a groundbreaking attempt to categorize regions based on climatic conditions. This initial effort, though limited in scope, laid the foundation for future developments. It highlighted the importance of understanding temperature variations and their impact on plant survival. The Arnold Arboretum continued to refine its system, publishing an updated map in 1938. These early maps, while rudimentary compared to today's sophisticated system, marked a significant step forward. They demonstrated the feasibility and value of classifying regions according to their suitability for different plant species. This work paved the way for the development of the more comprehensive USDA Plant Hardiness Zone map. The United States Department of Agriculture, or USDA, recognized the significance of the Arnold Arboretum's work. This recognition was not just a nod to the efforts of a single institution, but a testament to the broader importance of understanding plant hardiness and adaptability. The Arnold Arboretum, with its extensive collection of plant species and its commitment to botanical research, provided invaluable data that helped shape the USDA's approach to plant hardiness. In the 1960s, they established the first official USDA Plant Hardiness Zone map. This map was a groundbreaking tool for gardeners, farmers, and researchers alike. It offered a standardized way to understand which plants could thrive in different regions of the United States, based on minimum winter temperatures. The creation of this map marked a significant advancement in agricultural and horticultural practices, providing a scientific basis for plant selection and cultivation. This standardized system provided a more comprehensive and detailed classification of hardiness zones across the country. It allowed for a more precise understanding of regional climates and their impact on plant life. Gardeners could now make informed decisions about which plants to grow, reducing the risk of plant failure due to unsuitable climate conditions. The map became an essential tool for anyone involved in plant cultivation, from amateur gardeners to professional horticulturists. Over the years, the USDA Plant Hardiness Zone map has undergone several revisions. Each update has incorporated new data and improved methodologies, reflecting the latest scientific understanding of climate and plant physiology. These revisions ensure that the map remains a relevant and accurate tool for plant selection and cultivation. These updates reflect advancements in data collection, climate modeling, and our understanding of plant physiology. Modern technology has enabled more precise measurements of temperature and climate patterns, leading to more accurate hardiness zone delineations. Researchers now have a better understanding of how different plants respond to various climatic conditions, allowing for more informed updates to the map. Notably, significant revisions occurred in 1990, 2003, 2006, 2012, 2015, and most recently, 2023. Each of these updates has brought new insights and refinements to the map, ensuring that it remains a valuable resource for gardeners and researchers. The 2023 update in particular has incorporated the latest climate data and research findings. This update has refined zone boundaries and provided a more accurate representation of current climatic conditions. It reflects the ongoing commitment of the USDA to provide the most up-to-date and reliable information for plant cultivation. These updates have incorporated new climate data, reflecting observed temperature trends and providing a more accurate representation of current conditions. The inclusion of recent temperature data ensures that the map remains relevant in the face of changing climate patterns. This is particularly important as gardeners and farmers adapt to the impacts of climate change on plant growth and survival. The 2012 revision, for example, introduced finer zone delineations, increasing the precision with which gardeners could select suitable plants. This update allowed for a more nuanced understanding of regional climate variations, helping gardeners make better-informed decisions about plant selection. The increased precision of the map has been a significant benefit to both amateur and professional gardeners. The 2023 update further refined zone boundaries and incorporated data from citizen scientists. This inclusion of citizen science data has expanded the scope of the map, making it more comprehensive and reflective of real-world conditions. Community involvement in data collection has provided valuable insights and contributed to the ongoing refinement of the USDA Plant Hardiness Zone map. Mapping hardiness, a closer look at zones 3 through 11. In this section, we will delve deeper into the characteristics and unique gardening opportunities each of these zones presents. The USDA Plant Hardiness Zone map divides North America into 13 zones, each representing a 10-degree Fahrenheit range in average annual minimum winter temperatures. This map is an essential tool for gardeners, helping them determine which plants are most likely to thrive in their specific region. Zones 3 through 11 encompass a wide swath of the continent, from the northern Great Plains to the southern states and parts of the West Coast. This vast range includes diverse climates and ecosystems, each with its own set of gardening challenges and rewards. Zone 3, with its frigid winters, presents challenges for gardeners, but hardy perennials and cold-tolerant shrubs can thrive. Gardeners in this zone often focus on plants that can withstand extreme cold, such as certain varieties of conifers, and perennials like peonies and hostas. Winter gardening in Zone 3 requires careful planning and the use of protective measures to ensure plant survival. Zone 4 experiences a slightly milder climate, allowing for a wider selection of plants. Gardeners here can grow a variety of vegetables, flowers, and shrubs that are not as cold-hardy as those in Zone 3. This zone is known for its beautiful spring and summer gardens, featuring plants like lilacs, daylilies, and many types of berries. Zone 5, often considered the transition zone, supports a mix of cold-hardy and more temperate species. This zone offers a balance, where gardeners can experiment with a broader range of plants, including both those that can handle colder temperatures and those that prefer milder conditions. Popular plants in Zone 5 include roses, tulips, and a variety of fruit trees. As we move southward, Zones 6 through 9 offer increasingly favorable conditions for a diverse range of plants. These zones benefit from longer growing seasons and milder winters, making them ideal for a wide variety of gardening activities. Gardeners in these zones can grow everything from traditional vegetables and flowers to more exotic plants. Zones 6 through 9 are known for their lush landscapes and vibrant gardens, featuring plants like magnolias, azaleas, and a wide array of annuals and perennials. Zones 10 and 11, primarily found in the southernmost parts of the U.S., enjoy mild winters and support a wide variety of subtropical and tropical species. These zones are perfect for growing plants that require warm temperatures year-round, such as citrus trees, palms, and many types of orchids. Gardeners in these zones can enjoy a nearly continuous growing season, with the ability to cultivate a diverse array of plants that would not survive in colder climates. The landscapes in zones 10 and 11 are often lush and vibrant, filled with the colors and textures of tropical and subtropical flora. Selecting success, using zones for optimal planting. The USDA Plant Hardiness Zone Map is an essential tool for gardeners of all levels. It provides valuable information to guide plant selection, ensuring that chosen species are well suited to the local climate. By understanding your hardiness zone, you can create a thriving and beautiful garden. When selecting plants, refer to their hardiness zone rating. This rating indicates the coldest zone in which a particular plant species can reliably survive the winter. For example, a plant rated for zones 4 through 8 can tolerate minimum winter temperatures typical of zones 4 through 8. It's important to note that the USDA Plant Hardiness Zone Map provides a general guideline. Other factors, such as microclimates within your garden, like sunny spots or shady areas, soil type, and precipitation, also play a role in plant success. Cultivating a community, join the garden farmers conversation. We hope this exploration of USDA plant hardiness zones has been informative and helpful for your gardening endeavors. Remember, understanding your local climate and using resources like the USDA Plant Hardiness Zone Map are key steps towards creating a thriving garden. We'd love to hear from you. What's your experience been like gardening in your hardiness zone? Share your thoughts, questions, and gardening triumphs in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Garden Farmers for more gardening tips, insights, and inspiration. Let's cultivate a thriving community of passionate gardeners.